Magandang umaga po sa Alexander Lexter Jules. So, mabalik po sa inyong update mga kaibigan. Star Magic is greeting Maymay today sa kanyang kaarawan mga kaibigan. Ang sabi niya, it's Maymay Entrada's day. Many more of your stars align for a brighter, bigger, and stronger stellar shine. Ayan. Naki-greet na rin si Gilbert Aguilar, happy birthday May. Si M. Gandus, Ana Alonso, happy birthday May. Jesus Domingo Yubal, happy birthday May. At si Balmarge, happy birthday May. May God always guide you in your life. And happy birthday from Marilyn Bailon Rodriguez daw po. Pa-shoutout po yan.
Happy birthday to you. Di ako susuko magliliyabang kang mansunog man.
Saba. Rose Jimenez, happy birthday. Inday Virgil Lizana, happy birthday to our Kabugera Mama. Your wishes be granted. Sana ay marating mo pa more ang gusto mong abutin. Makuha mo pa ang gusto mong kamtin. Wishing you always in a good health. Pag-amping perme. Kaya pasagti ang lawas kay health is wealth, Maymay. Ug lawas lang ang puhunan. Lagi mong tatandaan. Andito lang kami palagi para sa'yo. We love you, my loves. Enjoy your precious and special. The greeting from your TFC family, Maymay Entrata. Nasaan na ba yun? Nakita natin kanina. Aba, hindi na po natin makita. Pero yes, nakita natin yung pag-greetings ng TFC family para kay Maymay Entrata. Sana ang araw na ito ay maging masaya. And sana ay mapanood ka namin, syempre. Mag-live man or mag-post sa iyong tawag dito, YouTube account. So, narito po ang mensahe ng isang Joaquin Enriquez para kay Maymay Entrata. Sabi niya, it's May 6th in the Philippines. Yes, happy birthday to my beautiful, loving, kind-hearted princess. I'm devastated that I cannot be there with you right now because of work. But no matter how far we are, thousands of miles apart, or right next to each other, our loves and our bond only grows stronger and stronger each day that goes by. You are my greatest blessing through thick and thin. I love you, baby. Sabi niya pa, may God continue to grant you all the happiness, peace, wisdom, strength, and love in the world. My person, Maymay Entrata. So, yan po ang greetings ni Joaquin for Maymay. Kagabi pa actually yan mga kaibigan. But yes, naantok ko ang lola nyo. So, kung kaya hindi na natin nagawan ng content. So, yes, thank you Joaquin Enriquez for loving Maymay purely and so dearly. Congratulations on your new ad family. O, diba? Endorsement family, ang Burger King. Favorite ko yan, Joaquin. So, yes. Congratulations on your project and thank you for loving Maymay so dearly. Alexander Lexter Jules. Yan po ang ilan sa mga pa-update natin sa umagang ito. Si Ana Marie Guzman, ito pala. The Filipino channel is saying happy birthday to Maymay Entrata. Yan, Maymay. In love with you. Happy birthday sa'yo, Maymay. Always praying for you. So yes, base dito sa balita, nako, Pilipinas Today is saying, you're the love of my life, the apple of my eye, my person forever. Emotional at punong-puno daw po ng pagmamahal ang mensaheng ito ni Joaquin Enriquez na ibinahagi niya para sa kanyang girlfriend na si Maymay Entrata bilang pagbati sa kanyang kaarawan. To be able to witness your strength, ang sabi dito, and heart at first hand has been the greatest blessing any man or human can ask for. Throughout all the crazy people, things, and obstacles life has thrown you or thrown at you, you have never stopped spreading your light to others, even when it hurts. I admire that so much about you, sabi pa ni Joaquin. I pray that God continues to do wonders in your life. I'm screaming I love you from thousands of miles away, but just now my heart is right here. No, right there with you through it all. Happy birthday, my only exception, my person. May 6th is officially my most favorite day ever. Ti amo, mahal kita, dagdag pa niya. Sinapubliko ni na Maymay at Joaquin ang kanilang relasyon noong Oktobre 25, 2025 sa pamamagitan ng isang Instagram reel kung saan makikita ang kanilang sweet na sandali at sandali sa dalampasigan habang hinahalikan ni Joaquin ang noo ng actress. Happy birthday to the most beautiful girl in the world. Yan po ang mensahe ni Joaquin na ipinost ng Pilipinas Today, mga kaibigan. So yeah, ayan po si Mary Del Maymay Entrata with all the flowers. Kailan kaya ito? Last year ba to or ngayon to? Kasi ang alam ko, sabi ni Joaquin ay hindi po siya makakasama ni Maymay sa kanyang birthday ngayong taon. So, ang kanyang caption, happy birthday to the most beautiful girl in the world. Happy birthday to the girl. This song and all these memories truly capture who you are. You have had to endure a lot of things on your own at such a young age and have continued to persevere and stay positive through it all. Ayon kay Joaquin Enriquez, mga kaibigan. Pasensya na, medyo labo-labo na rin ang mata ng inyong lola. A to Z family is also giving Maymay birthday greetings, wishing you more happiness, peace, and tuloy-tuloy na blessings. Stay as genuine as you are. Greetings from your A to Z family. Happy birthday, Maymay Entrata. Well, we'll take that picture. Thank you for this. A to Z. Ayan. Ellie is also giving Maymay his love. Happy birthday, Maymay Entrata. I wish you genuine happiness, peace, good health, and successful life and career. More acting projects po sana this year. Love you, May. Thank you so much, Ellie, for always being there for Marydale. Star Cinema. Watch these full movies in YouTube. Binigay po niya ang link. Princess Mulan, Sarah, and Shine. Ooh. Yan po. Pwede nyo pong panuorin daw yan sa youtube.com /@ABS-CBN Star Cinema. Habibi Lechar. Happy birthday, Inday Amping Lang Jude. I like the photos she is including in this one. Happy birthday, Inday Amping Lang Jude. And stay grounded. Ask and cling to our God, wishing and praying for your happiness and good health for the whole fam and Maludi. Keep the love, respect, and make our God a center of your relationship with Joaquin. That's from Habibi Lechar. Well, thank you so much on that one, Habibi. So yes, mga kaibigan, iilan pa lang sila sa mga nagbigay ng greetings for Mary Del Maymay Entrata. And masayang-masaya na po tayo. At marami po ang nakaalala para sa isang Maymay Entrata. Kahit na wala siyang proyekto this month, ay nandiyan at naalala niyo pa rin po ang kaarawan ng isang Maymay Entrata. In love with you is saying, Maymay, you are my paradise. And I will bring you more update mamaya, mga kaibigan,
para po magiging masaya ang araw ni Inday. Sana ay may pa-live si Inday today if she is not busy. Mga kaibigan, Alexander Lex Juice Bulol po si Alexander. Magandang tanghali po sa inyo lahat.